so excited. I'm about to go out to my friend's barbecue, but I'm like, I need to do this first.
It's just a disaster. Like,
today I have a very important video, or a very important task that I decided to make into a video. I'm going to be cleaning out, organizing my little makeup drawer in my bathroom. So that's why you guys are here in my bathroom with me. And I'm so excited because my makeup drawer is just a complete disaster, and that's not cute, right? That is not cute. So let's fix that today. I actually went to IKEA. There's a downtown IKEA location that just opened up in Toronto. If you guys are from Toronto, you guys know. And so I got these little containers for literally 30 cents. I'm literally like, what costs 30 cents anymore? Nothing, not even at the dollar store. So I was so happy to find these. But then upstairs there's a Marshall's. So then I went into Marshall's and I found this. This was $16.99, but I'm like, this is perfect because I'm gonna show some footage, but my makeup drawer is really small. I don't have so much makeup. I kind of do the same face look every single day.
let's pan down to this mess. Look at that mess. It's just a disaster. Like, I'm always going through it all. There's like a container, so sometimes I take it out, but it's a disaster. It needs fixing.
Okay guys, I'm back. I actually ended up having to go to my friend's barbecue, which was amazing. Thank you, Renee. And I didn't have enough time to do it, but now I do. I'm all sweaty and everything, but this was already taken out. I took my drawer out with all this stuff, and let's get everything out and get started. Okay, that's everything. I'm going to give it a really good clean and then start putting things back in. Okay, so I think I'm going to organize by some foundations and like just face products, lip products, and just go from there and see how I can organize, because I just want it to make sense while I'm getting ready. Okay, so these two colors I use all the time. These are my Fenty Eavesdrops. Love these. I have it in shade 21 and 22. So 21 is my winter color, 22 is my summer color. So for sure I'm going to need those. My friend actually just picked me up this L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. Love that. It's basically like the Charlotte Tilbury, I think, one. And it works really nice. It just gives you a glow when you mix it with your foundation. My Fenty concealers. And then I just have them laying down there. Mascara, my eyebrow product, give it one more chance, give it one more chance, give it one more chance. And then luckily I have this container. I'm going to put like this sponge in here. I'm going to put my sharpener in there. I'm going to put this little e.l.f. product in here too. So these are just going to be easy to grab products. Wow, I thought this was gonna fit a bit better. Oops, oh my gosh. Everything's falling. So I'm gonna put my lip balm in here and a sponge, and I think that's going to be so good, just really convenient. Have that on the side. These used to be my favorite foundations. I actually have them in 3 color. It's the Dior foundation. I can't remember the name, but I love this. But I actually now don't wear such heavy full coverage foundation, and I think all of these have probably gone bad now because I got them all before the pandemic. But I wonder, how long can you keep foundation for? Because if I have like a big event to go to, I would still like to use these, but I don't know if it's bad to keep them. But I definitely don't need them for an everyday basis, so I'm going to take them out. Okay, my powder. This is such a good powder by Hourglass. It literally keeps my makeup in place and I don't look cakey, and it's so good. My little Charlotte Tilbury powder. It's a good powder. I actually should put this in my makeup bag, but for now I'll keep it there. I also have the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. It's a really good bronzer. I like that. So I wear these on an everyday basis. And then my lip colors are pretty much the same lip colors always. My friend actually picked me up this really nice one from Charlotte Tilbury for my birthday. Love that color. It's really, really nice. I wore it today. And then maybe I'll put some of my longer items in here. So I have my eyebrow pencil that I always use, like pen from NYX. And then I'll put some like lip pencils in here. My razors when I shave my face. My eyebrow. I have to definitely clean these brushes. Soap Brow. Do you guys remember when this came out a couple years ago? And I also have the e.l.f. pomade, the eyebrow pomade. So I can choose which one I want to use. And I also have this Essence eyebrow gel thing too. That's just clear. So I'm gonna just keep that all together. So it's definitely still, it has a bit more order to it, but it's still kind of, you know, all over the place, but at least I could see things way more clearly, and that's what's important. Okay, and then my brushes can go here at the front, and then here. Okay, so it's not gonna, this is not gonna fit in here because I need these things more than I need this. So I'm just gonna have to be really strict, and I'm going to have to just take out what I know I'm going to use. So I'm gonna put my brushes in here, which should already be there. I'm gonna have my little razors at the front here, like in the corner. I actually don't even use these things. I use this brush, so I can put that there. I use this. Okay, that's everything. This actually looks pretty great. I love this. Things fall over, definitely. They fall over, but that's inevitable. And these don't really fit that well, but I feel like it's okay. You guys are seeing like this, but I'm going to have it, you know, open my drawer like this. So when I open it, I'm going to see, I probably have these ones resting, to be honest. And I'll have my primer, my little glotion, my lip balms. And then I'll have all my lip products and my eyebrow pencils. I don't really use this one that much. Yeah, I haven't used that in a long time, so I could take that out actually. And I don't like this. Look at me. I'm still going, I'm still going. So this is great. I feel like this is so much easier to find things. I can even put my pencils at the back, my lip pencils. Just here, so I know where to find them, and they'll be close to the sharpener. This feels like a little shop, doesn't it? I don't know. I know so much people have triple this makeup, but this is what I need on an everyday, and I feel really good about it. So also this is a cute little, it's a cute little blush by Rare Beauty. But my favorite blush ever is this one by Glossier. It's an orange, and orange just looks so great on deeper skin tones. It looks so great. I use this blush right here as a lip product actually. I just dab it on my lips and it leaves a nice lip stain. And then, like, what else are my favorite products? Oh, I really like this by Bare Minerals. Don't know if you can see, but I like that color. It's like really a natural nude for me on my lips. And yeah, and then I just love these concealers by Fenty. They're so great. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy. There's nothing better than cleaning out, clearing out, decluttering, and just making things more organized. It just makes the soul happy. It brings a smile to my face.
I love this fresh lip balm. It's my favorite, the caramel one. Look how cute this little sponge is. My friend got me this too. My friend is the best. Shout out to Alicia. I just feel so happy to have all my makeup clearly together, clearly looking sweet. Also, I don't think I mentioned, but this is my favorite makeup spray. It's by Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Airbrush. I think it's like, yeah, Airbrush. It just makes your makeup look so good even when it's not looking good, you know what I mean? So here we are. Let me know if you have any tips. I would love to know. But I think I did a pretty good job. I feel like I'm pretty happy. Okay guys, that's all for me. I hope you liked this short little video, just clearing out my makeup and just getting it all organized and looking a little bit more fresh and together. And also for small spaces, because not everybody has a whole like vanity section where they could get ready in the morning. So just think, you know, just for the people. It's just for the people. So let me know if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye guys.